Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we are doing the chapter understanding quadrilaterals and I have successfully completed the exercise 3.2 and I hope you have done all the homeworks, right? So if you have any doubt you can ask, okay? Now next topic we are going to see today, that is kinds of quadrilaterals. That means what are the different types of quadrilaterals you will see now. So in your earlier classes you have already studied about the different types of quadrilateral that are quadrilateral means what? We have the figure which has four sides. So four sides and four angles. So you have learned about the square, you have learned about rectangle. These two main figures you have learned. Okay. So they are what? Quadrilaterals. Now some more figures are there. Some more types of quadrilaterals are there. So it is what? Trapezium. The first is what? Trapezium. So trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Okay, pair of parallel side means it has two parallel sides. Quadrilateral has four sides. You can see these are all trapezium. These are all quadrilaterals. So you can see in these four sides, two sides are parallel to each other. This side and this side are parallel. Okay, but this side and this side is not parallel. So any two sides will be parallel, then it will be a trapezium. So this side and this side is a parallel line, so it is a trapezium. Then this side and this side is a parallel, so it is a trapezium. Then this side and this side is a parallel, and this side and this side is also parallel. So minimum two sides are parallel. If a minimum two sides are parallel, that means it is a trapezium. Okay, these are all trapeziums, but they are not trapezium because there are no parallel lines. Okay, no two lines are parallel to each other, so they are not trapeziums. So study the above figures and discuss with the friends. So why some of them are trapezium, why are not? So that means those two lines who are parallel to each other, they're trapezium, and those are not parallel to each other, they're not trapezium. Okay, see here in this figure, these two lines are parallel, but it has how many sides? Five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five sides is not a quadrilateral. Understood? Quadrilateral, you always have to remember quadrilateral has four sides. Okay, and if any quadrilateral has pair of parallel lines, pair of parallel sides, then it is a trapezium. Now understood what is trapezium? So this is also a trapezium, you can see. This is one parallel line, this is one parallel line. So it is a trapezium. And it has four sides, that's why it is a quadrilateral. So it is a trapezium. So next type of quadrilateral is a kite. So what is a kite? You have all seen the kite. Okay, you have played with the kite. So kite looks like this or like this or like this. So all kites have four sides. That's why it is called a quadrilateral. So what is a special in kite? So kite is a special type of quadrilateral. So it is also a quadrilateral because it has four sides. The sides with the same marking in each figure are equal. That means the same marking means this line you can see and this line you can see. These are same marking. That means this line AB and this line AD are equal to each other. Okay, length of this AB and AD are equal, and this double line here also double line, that means BC and DC are equal to each other. So this is identification. These lines are identification that they are equal. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So if any quadrilateral looks like this, then it is a kite. Okay, this is a kite. Here also you can see it has four figures. It is a quadrilateral. And why it is kite? Because this side and this side are equal and this side and this side are equal. That means the consecutive sides should be equal. This is the main property, main identification of a kite. Consecutive side, this side and this side, then this side and this side, they are equal to each other. So it is also a kite. So these are kites, but they are not kites. So you can see here, because it has one more side, five sides. So to be a kite, to be a quadrilateral, it should have four sides only. So it is also this side and this side is equal to each other. This side and this sides are equal to each other. It is looking like a kite, but one more side is there. That's why it is not a kite. Here you can see this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. Okay, it is what? Opposite sides are equal, not consecutive sides. So it is not a kite, it is also not a kite, so these are not kites. Okay, so now you have to observe that 2 points are there. A kite has 4 sides. Okay, that's why it is a quadrilateral. Second point is what? These there are exactly two distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. So what I said, that the consecutive sides should be equal. Okay, this side and this side, this side and this side. So two consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. So if these 2 points are okay, then that means it is a kite. Understood about the kite also? Now next go to the next page. What is given? In the next page it is given parallelogram. Okay, it is printing mistake here. What is parallelogram? So parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Okay, how it is a quadrilateral? Because it has 4 sides. You can see it is a quadrilateral. It looks like a rectangle, but it is slanting rectangle. Rectangle is like this. Okay, like this. This is a rectangle. But when it is the sides are slanting lines, then it is a what? Parallelogram. So these opposite sides are equal to each other. This side and this sides are equal to each other like a rectangle, and this side and these opposite sides are equal to each other. Same like rectangle only. The pair of opposite sides are equal to each other. That is a parallelogram. But the angle is not 90 degree. Here in the rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. This is only difference between parallelogram and a rectangle. So it is a slanting figure of a rectangle. That is a parallelogram. Okay, so this is what? This is not a parallelogram because it is a trapezium. You can see this is a pair of parallel lines are there. This is a trapezium. These are parallelograms. See, this is parallelogram. Why? Because the opposite sides are equal to each other. And the next important thing about parallelogram is what? The name is showing that parallelogram. That means the line should be parallel also. The opposite lines, the opposite sides should be parallel to each other. That's why it is written AB. So this line AB is parallel to, this is a parallel sign, parallel to DC. Okay, DC. Then AD, side AD is parallel to BC. Okay, written. So in a parallelogram, the opposite side should be parallel. Then only it is a parallelogram. Here also you can see this is also a parallelogram because this QP is parallel to SR and PR is parallel to QS. Okay. Then this is also a parallelogram because LM is parallel to ON. Okay, and LO is parallel to MN. That's why it is a parallelogram. The opposite sides should be parallel to each other. Here you can see they are not parallelogram because these two sides are parallel to each other, but these two sides are not parallel to each other. Okay, here you can see not any side are parallel to each other. Here you can see two sides are parallel, but other sides are not parallel, so these are not parallelogram. So this is identification of a parallelogram. Understood now? So students, so these three figures, these are the three main types of quadrilateral: trapezium, kite and parallelogram. So study whatever I taught today and we'll see the next topics in the next video. Okay, thank you.